This is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So as you can see, mine are indeed active. So from here you will need to launch the settings app. Let me open settings, then find and enter the Google category, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button, onwards open the Data and Privacy page, scroll it all the way down, go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Then in order to continue, we will need to input the password. So let me quickly do that off the screen. At the following Delete Your Google Account page, check two boxes at the bottom and tap at the Delete Account option to your bottom right. At this point, parental controls should have been successfully deactivated if any issues with the synchronization occurred, of course. So let me quickly check that. So yep, indeed, as you can see, there is no Google account linked, no more. And if I will open up the list of available parental controls, there will be none. So the last thing that I need to do is to recover the Google account, which is also a very simple process. You will just need to sign into Google service or Google app. I'll go with Play Store myself. So input the email address. Let me quickly do that. Then after continuing, you should get the following message. Then after this message, enter your Google account password. And 9 out of 10 times you will get the something went wrong error. That's completely fine. Just re-enter your credentials. So as you can see, it led us through the second time, no problem. Now simply finish the Google login procedure, and once you do that, you will see that your Google account was successfully recovered. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.